When I saw that there was a class where you actually got to have hands-on service, I was like, oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I've never had this opportunity before. And immediately I was like, oh, that's gonna be my first class that I take.
It was important for me to find a college that matched my service need and want. And at SLU, being able to get in the community for service was a huge part of why I chose to come to SLU.
Service learning is an opportunity for students to get a real-world perspective. Students that work with our entrepreneurs get an opportunity to see the needs, not only in terms of the businesses and how to run a business, but they also get a chance to see the community and see the impact of the businesses on the community. And the students can come in and make a difference.
It's really about going in and knowing that you're not to help people, but you're to serve those people so that you can learn something while also benefiting the communities.
Service learning is a practical way of studying theology. And that's, I think, something that we see, that theology is also done with our hands.
In the Spanish program at SLU, we really try to get our learners into the community as much as possible. We have students doing some translation works. They're interpreting for a nutrition class. We have students, providing administrative support in terms of calling families, making bilingual forms for people to fill out. So they're doing a lot of different kinds of activities, but of course the most important thing is that they're putting their language skills to practice, to good use, and they're meeting the community.
I definitely think service learning is pivotal because learning things in the classroom is half the battle in a way. I definitely think being engaged and applying what you learn outside of the classroom has helped me so much more.
It forms the whole person, really the Ignatian ideals of education. Being able to be in contact with our neighbor, to be able to look at the world and the needs of the world, and then to be able to ask, how am I a part of this world around me?
My service during the week is just a nice reminder of what it means to be human. I think sometimes I get so caught up in doing chemistry or biology that sometimes just going to the school, I'm just reminded of wow, just the little impacts that you have on people's days matter, and it's not just all about academics.